I'm back with this hair tutorial, and in this video I just show you guys how I do my hair, and I also show you guys how I achieve this top knot bun. Now this is I would like to say this is my second or third top knot bun. If you would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, how I sleeked this, okay, then just keep watching the video. I love you all, and I will see you in the next clip. Wash my hair. I washed with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Shampoo by Shea Moisture, and then I conditioned my hair with, you know, the same one but the conditioner. I'm gonna spray this, it's a heat primer, but I like the way it makes my hair feel. Okay, so this is the heat primer I'm using. So now I'm going in with this is a rake comb, I believe. I'm going with this rake comb, and I'm just going to make sure my hair is combed out all over. Okay, so we are all combed out. I believe that's how I feel, so. Whew. Next, y'all have to put this in a ponytail. Next, I'm going to go in with this, it's a hair tie. Next, I'm just going to take this spray bottle, and it just has water in it, like that's it, literally. And I'm just going to spray my hair. I don't want it to be wet, I just want it to be damp, just so it could give me the look that I'm going for. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw everything up in a ponytail. So I don't know like why this does what it does, but you know, it's like a hole at the bottom of like the paddle brush, and it sucks up like all the water, or sucks up water, and this is the brush I use in the shower. So it's like, you know, as I'm brushing my hair, it's getting on my hair, which I don't mind, because simple fact that that's what I need, actually, some water. So I'm just gonna take the scrunchie, place that where I wanna place that. Okay, sis. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna part and gel, okay? So when I say that, part this right here, all right? Let's part it. And then we're just gonna take some gel. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see that better, but that's what I'm gonna do, part and gel. So I'm gonna mainly do that for the back of my head, just because, you know, those are the pieces that like to come up. I'm back, guys. I put the gel all over my scalp. I'm going to take this band. First, I'm going to put it around my arm because, as you can see, my ponytail is still a mess. Sorry, I need a school bag because I really need y'all to like see this. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paddle brush. I'm just going to make sure it's all brushed up into the ponytail. So this is what she's giving right now. You just want to keep brushing. You just want to keep on and keep on. And it's getting tacky now. So when it gets tacky, it helps you lay it a bit more. Oh, and this is the Got To Be Free spray, guys, that I'm just applying in my hair. Okay. Okay, so now I feel like it is ponytail time. So all I did was twist it. I'm just twisting it and just wrapping it around. Pretty much. Oh, and I'm gonna just take this hair tie, guys, and just make sure that is 100%, you know. And I'm gonna spray this. My flyaways are down, so just make sure the flyaways, like, I understand if it's frizzy, but just no flyaways. Next, we're gonna get the hair, and in this video, I'll be using the Outre number 1 100% Canicolon hair. This is a jumbo braiding hair. It looks like it's on there pretty tight, so I'm gonna just trust it. And it seems like a pretty thick rubber band. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to wrap around the ponytail. One time. Basically just connect this to our base. I don't want to do too many times. This one move, this one. So next, guys. Okay, so this is what I seen this girl do on YouTube today. I literally just watched the videos today, and like I'm trying to do it today, but we'll see. So what she did was she just twisted this side. Like, you get what I'm saying? She just twisted it. And hold on. We're gonna clamp this side. She ain't clamped it, but I'm clamping it. Cause whew, I'm telling y'all, doing hair is a lot of work. Now with this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Just twist it, twist it, twist it. Okay, and she just like kept going around and like around. Okay, I also seen it another way, y'all. So we're gonna twist this one back good. So with this technique, I'm just going to I mean, no wonder. She just went right on top of that. So we gonna try this. So I'm just gonna wrap it around the base, y'all. So this is, of course, is my ponytail. So I'm just gonna keep twisting. And keep going as I'm twisting. So with this next piece, obviously the same stitch. Now I want to take this from this side because might turn out okay. Okay, period. Oh, and the lady, she was like going in, just putting it into shape. So I know exactly how I'm going with this one. Okay. So we got that coming up like that. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry if y'all feel like I'm really not talking to y'all. It's just, I don't really know how to do this. And I don't really do this. But I wanted to like try it on camera. And I like it. I pretty much like it. Yeah, it's kind of cute. It's given. Period. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the final look for the ponytail. So let me know what you guys think. What you guys think in the comment section below. And also let me know any questions, comments, or compliments in the description, not in the description, in the comment section below, guys. Okay, so yeah, I did this makeup look on live today. I'm getting more into blush, so you will see a lot of blush. My edges, I just, you know, something really simple. Then I have these little pieces of hair just out and curled. And I'm just like putting them more to the front. I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys could see like the look that I had going on. You can't really see them unless I'm taking a picture because I'll be super close. So yeah, you all, I love you so much. And guess what? I will see you all in the next video. Bye.